Hello friends, this is Mohit Agarwal here and very important announcement released by ICSI on its website today. Now boys and girls, जैसा कि हम लोगों ने कल एक वीडियो बनाया था जिसमें ICSI को मैंने रिक्वेस्ट भी किया था और पर्सनली मैंने मेल भी कर रखा था कि ये सारे दिक्कत है, उसमें से ICSI ने ये फैसला लिया है कि जो स्टूडेंट को लग रहा है कि वो जहां एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर भरा था वहां पर वो एग्जाम देने नहीं जा सकता है, उसके लिए अभी भी ऑप्शन है, वो अपना एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर सिटी वगैरह जो है वो चेंज कर सकता है। और इसके अलावा जो बच्चों ने एग्जाम फॉर्म नहीं भरा था उसके लिए भी एक मौका है एग्जाम फॉर्म भर देने का। एक बार अनाउंसमेंट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, उसके बाद मैं अपना रिएक्शन और प्रतिक्रिया आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा और आपको क्या करना है मैं वो भी सजेस्ट करूंगा। काइंड अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स, रीओपनिंग ऑफ ऑनलाइन window, reopening of online window for submission of CS examination form for June 2020। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ने रिक्वेस्ट की इंस्टीट्यूट से, it has been decided to reopen the online window for submission of CS examination form for June 2020। It means what? Those who were unable to submit their exam form can submit their exam form now, whether it is foundation, executive, professional, any level, it is valid for all the levels। It is going to be reopened Tuesday onwards, that is today onwards, मतलब वो already आज Tuesday है तो वो already जो है open हो रखा है, Thursday तक ये रहेगा, ठीक है, Thursday midnight तक रहेगा, मतलब Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday 3 दिन है starting from today। Students who have not been able to submit examination form by earlier extended date of 15th April are advised, जो 15th April last date था उन्होंने नहीं सबमिट कर सका है, are advised to make use of the opportunity being granted as a special case। Late fees stands waived। It means you'll have to only submit the examination form with normal fees without any late fees। Student who wish to change center, medium, module, it means if you have applied for all the module, you have an option to select any one module or vice versa। You can increase your module, you can decrease the module, you can change your exam center, may submit online request during 24th April to 1st May 2020। So you want to change the exam center, media, module, the window will be opening from 24th April to 1st of May। सारे डाउट्स को क्लियर करता है ये चीज। जून 2020 सेशन ऑफ सीएस एग्जाम शैल commence from 1st June 2020 as scheduled। Students are advised to take note। Now, the burning question over here is, okay, intentions of ICSI are not to be questioned. They are for the welfare of the students, absolutely. But we need to understand one thing, that in Bengal and Odisha, these two states, which I know, there may be other states also, but these two states which I know, Bengal has announced that the educational institutes are going to remain shut till 10th of June. Odisha has announced round about mid-June. The educational institutes are not going to open till 10th of June and Odisha till mid of June, which means that now ICSI might have they must have talked with the authorities and taken proper information from them that even if educational institutes are closed in Bengal till 10th of June and in Odisha in mid of June, I think they might make special arrangement for students of CS Institute to appear for the exams therein। I hope so ICSI has made suitable arrangements for that, because the examination centers also come under Educational Institute itself। So no one requested to extend the examination window so that the form fill up window, so that the students can fill up the form, but still then if any student wants to appear in June and has missed out the opportunity, must use this opportunity। And regarding examination center, if you want to change, you can also make use of this opportunity। Now my advice to all the students is, look, if you have filled up the form, then you just need to wait for the government announcements to come। There's nothing more you can do now. Now the burning question lies for those students who haven't yet filled up the form. What do they do? So they have an opportunity to fill up the form. So if you are well prepared, my advice will be to fill up the form. Because if the situation is not under control, then government is going to mandate, and government mandate will be followed by every institute regarding the postponement of exam. I repeat, those students who have filled up the form, there is no question of withdrawing the form. You are not allowed to do that. But ICSI has allowed you to shift your examination centers, to shift your modules, to change your module. You can do that. Now those students who have not filled up the form for June 2020 exam, but they were preparing for June 2020 exam but couldn't fill up the examination form, if they think they are well prepared, take use of this opportunity. If they think they can prepare till June, take use of this opportunity. And then if the situation is under control, you can appear, and if the situation is not under control, then obviously central government will surely make some announcement which is going to be mandatorily followed by every institute. So my advice to all will be this only. Take care and stay safe. And revision class coming very, very soon. Jabardast wala. Love you. Bye.